the stronic fusion power cells. Without those cells, we'll all be powerless.
The world is a stage, my friend.
Attend and hark if you've an ear to lend. We're gonna tell a tale with once upon a time at the start, and there's a happily ever after at the end. Say, Mr. Jones.
Yes, Mr. Smythe.
What story shall we players play today?
I suggest a tale as old as time.
A song as old as rhyme. Beauty and the Beast.
It's a very special tale of a very special girl.
In the morning that you made your way through your small provincial town, book in hand.
Why, thank you.
Indeed, Belle. I'm sorry I behaved like a beast.
It's all right. Perhaps I jumped to conclusions. It's true, you really can't judge a book by its cover.
Ah, the mood is right, the lights are dim, in the music we see food of love. Sing along! Was now transforming, and through the power of true love, at long last, the spell was broken! Huzzah! The beast was once again a prince.
Belle became my princess.
And we all lived
Happily